Sometimes life hits you so hard, you forget what hope even feels like. This is the story of Maya, a woman who lost everything, only to discover something far more powerful. Maya worked at a little cafe, but one day, with no warning, it shut down. No job, no savings, no backup plan. She felt the world collapsing under her feet. Nights were the worst, filled with fear and shame. Just as she hit rock bottom, a small act of kindness from a neighbor, a simple note, lit a spark inside her. She started taking small steps, volunteering at a local kitchen. Helping others helped her heal. She rediscovered her love for drawing, sketching the world she wanted to believe in. On a whim, she entered a local art contest and, to her surprise, she won. Maya didn't escape all struggle, but she found her purpose. Life will knock you down, but storms don't last. Sometimes, the moment you feel like giving up is when your new life is quietly beginning. If this video gives you hope and you feel the beginning of a new life, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.